Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. In this page here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will go to above and you can search about WhatsApp and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. And then here, as you see, if you find update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app.